Is your iPhone not receiving calls even when you have full bars of signal? It's a super frustrating problem, but don't worry, we can fix it in under a minute. First, let's try the quickest trick. Swipe down to open your control center and tap the airplane icon to turn on airplane mode. Wait about 10 seconds. Then tap it again to turn it off. This simple action forces your phone to reconnect to the network. Next, check your focus settings. Go into Settings, then tap on Focus and select Do Not Disturb. Make sure that switch is toggled off. Another common culprit is a feature that silences unknown numbers. Head to Settings, scroll down the phone, and tap on Silence Unknown Callers. Turn this feature off if you're expecting a call from a new number. If you're still having trouble, a quick restart can work wonders by clearing out temporary glitches. Finally, for a more thorough solution, go to Settings, then General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. This will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, but it often solves stubborn connection issues. These steps should get your calls coming through again. For more simple tech fixes, make sure to subscribe.